In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use 17track Order on Shopify. To get started, open the Shopify App Store and install the 17track app. This app helps you organize shipment tracking and makes it easier for customers to check the status of their orders. Once the installation is complete, open the app so you can begin setting it up for your store. Inside the app, go to Settings, then open Preferred Carrier. Here, add the carriers you use most often. This is important because it helps the app recognize and manage your shipment data more accurately. Taking a moment to set your preferred carriers now can save time later and improve tracking reliability. Next, go to your Shopify admin and check your fulfilled orders. Make sure each fulfilled order has both a tracking number and a carrier assigned. This part is essential because 17track needs that information in order to sync and display tracking updates correctly. If those details are missing, some orders may not import properly. After that, return to the 17track app and open the Shipments page. This is where your shipment activity will be managed. On this page, click Sync Orders to import your existing Shopify tracking data into the app. Depending on how many orders you have, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. Once your orders are synced, go to the Tracking page tab inside the app. This is where you can customize your branded tracking portal. A branded tracking page gives customers a more professional experience and keeps them on your store instead of sending them somewhere else to track a package. When your tracking page looks the way you want, click Enable. This will automatically add the tracking page to your store's header or footer, making it easy for customers to find. Next, head back to Settings and open Email Notifications. From there, enable automated status updates for your customers. This allows customers to receive tracking updates without needing to contact your support team, which can also help reduce order-related questions. If needed, you can also turn on dropshipping mode in the app settings. This is optional, but it is useful if you want to hide certain carrier or origin details from customers. Finally, click Save Changes to make sure all your settings are applied. After that, your 17track setup on Shopify should be ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.